Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is at the forefront of artificial intelligence development: building a production-ready AI workflow, integrating automated data pipelines with model deployment. This is a crucial aspect of AI development that can significantly impact the efficiency and effectiveness of your machine learning projects. So, if you're looking to streamline your AI processes and ensure seamless integration from data ingestion to deployment, you're in the right place. To start off, let's talk about what we mean by production-ready AI workflow. When we say production-ready, we're referring to a system that is robust, scalable, and capable of handling real-world data and demands. In a production environment, the AI models you build must not only perform well on training data but also generalize effectively to unseen data. A well-designed workflow ensures that your models can be trained, validated, and deployed efficiently and can continuously improve over time as new data becomes available. Firstly, one of the core components of a production-ready AI workflow is the automated data pipeline. An automated data pipeline is a series of data processing steps that automate the flow of data from ingestion to storage, transformation, and finally to the machine learning model. The goal of this automation is to eliminate manual processes, which can introduce errors and bottlenecks. By using an automated pipeline, you ensure that your data is consistently processed, clean, and ready for use in training your models. Let's break down the data pipeline into its fundamental components. The first step is data ingestion. Depending on your application, data can come from various sources, such as databases, APIs, or files. The key here is to implement a robust system that can handle data from multiple sources and in various formats. Tools like Apache Kafka, Apache NiFi, or even cloud services such as AWS Kinesis or Google Cloud Pub/Sub can help you set up a reliable ingestion layer. Once data is ingested, the next step is data processing. This phase is critical as it involves cleaning, transforming, and enriching the data. Data cleaning might include removing duplicates, handling missing values, and correcting inconsistencies. Transformation might involve normalizing values, encoding categorical variables, or aggregating data for better analysis. This is where you can use frameworks like Apache Spark or tools like Pandas and Python to efficiently process large datasets. After processing, the data needs to be stored. The choice of storage depends on your use case. For structured data, traditional databases like PostgreSQL or MySQL might be sufficient. However, if you're dealing with unstructured data or require scalability, consider NoSQL databases like MongoDB or cloud-based solutions like Amazon S3. The storage solution should not only accommodate the size of your data but also support fast retrieval for model training and inference. Now that we have our data ready, it's time to move on to the model training phase. In a production-ready workflow, it's essential to automate this step as much as possible. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD, practices can be integrated into your model training process. This means that every time new data is ingested or a new model is developed, the system can automatically trigger the training phase. You can use platforms like MLflow or Kubeflow to manage your machine learning lifecycle. These tools provide functionalities to track experiments, manage model versions, and streamline the deployment process. As you train models, it's essential to evaluate their performance against predefined metrics. This evaluation should be automated to ensure that only models that meet your performance criteria are pushed to production. Once you have a trained model that meets your requirements, the next step is deployment. Deploying machine learning models can be challenging, particularly in ensuring they are scalable and accessible. There are several approaches to model deployment, including batch processing, real-time inference, and online learning. The choice of deployment strategy depends on your specific use case and the latency requirements of your application. For real-time inference, you might consider deploying your model as a microservice using technologies like Docker and Kubernetes. This allows you to scale your model horizontally based on demand, ensuring that your application can handle increased traffic without performance degradation. Furthermore, tools like TensorFlow Serving or TorchServe can help you deploy and manage your models efficiently, providing RESTful APIs for easy integration with your applications. Batch processing, on the other hand, may be suitable for scenarios where real-time predictions are not necessary. In this case, you can set up scheduled jobs that periodically fetch new data, make predictions, and store the results in your database. This approach is often simpler to implement and can be more cost-effective, particularly for large datasets. After deploying your model, monitoring is an essential step that cannot be overlooked. Once your model is live, it's crucial to continuously monitor its performance. This includes tracking metrics such as response time, throughput, and accuracy. If you notice any anomalies or degradation in performance, it may indicate a need for retraining the model. Additionally, monitoring helps you identify data drift, where the characteristics of incoming data change over time. Implementing automated alerts can help you stay proactive in addressing any issues that arise. To facilitate effective monitoring, consider integrating logging solutions such as ELK-Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana, or Prometheus and Grafana for visualization. These tools allow you to visualize key metrics and gain insights into how your model is performing in a production environment. Let's also touch on the importance of feedback loops in a production-ready AI workflow. Once your model is deployed and in use, collecting feedback from users and the system itself is crucial. This feedback can inform you about the model's performance, user satisfaction, and areas for improvement. You can implement mechanisms for users to provide feedback directly through your application, or you can analyze performance data to identify trends and potential areas of improvement. Now, we cannot forget about the role of collaboration in building a production-ready AI workflow. Effective collaboration among cross-functional teams, including data engineers, data scientists, and software developers, is vital. Each team brings unique expertise that contributes to the successful integration of every component in the pipeline. Regular communication and collaboration help ensure that everyone is aligned on goals, timelines, and responsibilities. Consider adopting agile methodologies to enhance teamwork and project management. Agile practices allow teams to iterate on their workflows and make incremental improvements over time. This adaptability is especially important in the fast-paced world of AI, where technologies and best practices are constantly evolving. Furthermore, documentation plays an essential role in building a production-ready AI workflow. Thoroughly documenting each stage of your pipeline, from data ingestion to model deployment, ensures that everyone involved understands the process. This documentation becomes invaluable when onboarding new team members or when revisiting projects after a period of time. As we wrap up this discussion on building a production-ready AI workflow, it's important to emphasize that this is not a one-time effort but an ongoing journey. AI is a dynamic field that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and improvement. Stay informed about the latest advancements in AI technologies, data engineering tools, and best practices to keep your workflow efficient and effective. In conclusion, integrating automated data pipelines with model deployment is a critical aspect of building a production-ready AI workflow. By establishing a robust data ingestion and processing system, automating model training and deployment, monitoring performance, and fostering collaboration, you can create a seamless workflow that supports your AI initiatives. Whether you are working on a small-scale project or a large enterprise application, these principles and practices will set you on the path to success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your colleagues. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with building production-ready AI workflows, so feel free to leave your comments below. Until next time, keep learning and innovating in the world of AI.